The 16 Best Home Renovation Instagram Accounts. Get ready for pastel hues, tons of sass, and stunning before and afters when you follow Mr. Kate. She's an interior designer who provides plenty of help and ideas to her 3.5 million YouTube followers. Her Instagram is just as fantastic and chock full of amazing design ideas and unbelievably cute baby pics. If you're serious about home renovation, Mr. Kate is a must-follow. Julia Markham is an interior coach and self-professed homebody. Her Instagram is stylish, chic, and wildly intelligent when it comes to home renovation. There are a wide variety of before and after shots throughout her page that speak for themselves and prove that Julia knows how to take any room and make it fresh and unique. Casey Finn is all about that DIY life. She and her husband are renovating their 1921 home. Her page shares styling tips and a fair share of DIY projects that you'll be dying to try out in your own home. Philip's page is beautiful. He provides his followers with many tutorials, tips, tricks, and inspiration to help make your home the best it can be. From amazing kitchen revamps to bathroom makeovers to family room transformations, you can't go wrong by following Philip's journey in DIY and home renovation. We'd love to make our bathroom look this remarkable. The color scheme, the wallpaper, the handles, everything looks seamless and unique, all thanks to DIY and Jennifer's eye for design. Follow her page for an abundance of DIY hacks and beautiful transformations. Kathy shows the power of changing simple things, like a fan, to completely revamp your space. Her Instagram is full of design inspiration and styling ideas that you'll instantly want to adopt. You can't help but feel ready to take on the world and your home after taking a look at Kathy's Instagram. Liz is a home and DIY blogger with plenty of style and design know-how. She simultaneously works with the home's foundation while adding new elements and functionality through DIY solutions, products, and more. We'd never say no to emerald green walls, especially when they look like this. Ashley is in the process of restoring and revamping a historic 1915 Craftsman. She's all about sustainable hacks to make her renovation responsible. Get ready for color inspo, design and hacks when you follow Ashley. Sherry Petersick and John are completely overhauling their home, in addition to 2 old beach houses. With a project of that magnitude, their work is certainly cut out for them. But, as you can see from their stunning photographs of their process, there's no better couple to tackle something of this caliber. We're also huge fans of that chandelier. Ashley Patron's Instagram is a showcase of intentional living through the design of her home. If you're looking for furniture recommendations, design tips, color palette inspiration, and home hacks, this is the account for you. Jenny Comenda is proof that there's no reason to be shy about mixing patterns. As long as you do it the right way, a blend of prints can be quite the stunning statement, and Jenny is happy to show her followers how. She's a former interior designer and magazine contributor turned house flipper and print shop founder. Her Instagram definitely proves her design chops are better than ever, and you'll leave with a healthy dose of inspiration. Angela Rose's Instagram is all about the power of DIY to transform your home. You don't always have to hire contractors and spend tons of money from professionals. Sometimes, you really can do it yourself, and Angela Rose's page is proof. If you're looking for DIY solutions for your home renovation project, this is the account for you. Erin Francois is modernizing her 1930s Tudor duplex and treats her followers to beautifully styled vignettes. The name of the game for Erin is design-focused DIY and interior styling. With tons of color, tiny accents, and simple hacks, you will definitely want to implement some of Erin's style into your own space. Kim and Scott are all about finding the best paint colors, design, and the tiny details that make a house a home. You will be able to scour their page for the best of the best in interior design and renovation. Lindsay Dean is all about creating beautiful spaces on a budget with power tools. Her style is airy, feminine, and light. Not only that, but her projects are easily doable in your own home. She's a sparkling example of breaking stereotypes surrounding women taking on renovation projects. Follow Lindsay for tips, tricks, and hacks to make your home everything you ever wanted it to be. Sarah Gibson's page is a stunning account of her journey in renovating her home. She shares tons of design tips, DIY projects, styling, and interiors on her Instagram and her blog. She's definitely worth the follow for your own home renovation project. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.